Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1957 Chevy. It's a real VC Bel Air too, fuel injected. Got the owner here, is going to tell us a little bit about him. How we doing today, Tom?
I'm doing just fine, thank you.
Yeah, what a pretty car.
Thank you.
So you've owned it since 07-ish, around there?
Around 07, 08, I think I bought it.
Cool. Got a lot of nice touches to it too. Love the paint, absolutely beautiful. Original style interior. When was the paint done?
I never did the paint.
Oh, okay.
I just painted the hood.
Oh, okay. Looks great. Sitting on some old vintage wheels. What are they called?
Anson wheels, very nostalgic.
Yeah, they're like right with the Keystones and the Kragers. Gorgeous, super straight body. You just installed a 383 stroker too, right? Straight motor?
Brand new from Chevy dealer in Riverhead.
Mm-hmm.
Crate 383.
Stroker.
Minus the manifold, the
Mhm.
carburetor, and it had fuel injection installed.
Cool.
Holly fuel injection.
That's nice. No messing around. Just turn the key.
Yeah, the runs beautiful.
Gas. 700 R4, right?
Yes.
Dual exhaust. What do you have? Glass backs, it sounded like?
Flowmaster.
Flowmaster. Cool. Here's the sun. Gorgeous bumpers.
And
Beautiful
it's got
trim.
the brake light on the V.
Yeah, you see that? It's the first time I've seen that. Cool. Beautiful straight body too.
And front tires are brand new.
You have good wrench.
I just charged the AC system.
Power steering, power brakes, air.
Yes. Disc brakes on the front.
Mm-hmm. Looks so good in black, you know. Yeah, it's just grabbing all the sun. Side, we got the bench seat. Looks like a Grant steering wheel and billet wrapped in red leather.
And I have the original steering wheel.
Okay.
And I had that refurbished, so it's like brand new.
Wow, beautiful. Is it the same size?
No, it's the original big one.
The big one, okay. Dakota digital gauges. They look new. When'd you put those in, Tom?
I'm sorry.
The gauges?
They were in when I bought the car.
Oh, cool. Beautiful.
I had the chrome put on the dash.
Mm-hmm.
And the digital clock.
Really dresses it up. Custom box here. It's like a glove box. Custom stereo. It's a vintage sound system with auxiliary in. Seatbelts all the way around. Even in the back. Beautiful headliner. Cool. Flappers look beautiful. Can you fire it up? Real nice sound to it. It's a cold start too. good, you know? There she is, 383 stroker, Holley high-rise manifold. It's got a Holley fuel injection unit. These stroker motors, they come with aluminum heads. I believe they're 4 1/4 horse, right, Tom? About 4 1/4 horse, right? Power brakes, got disc up front, drum in the rear. Power steering, nice big aluminum radiator with an electric fan, keeps everything cool. Custom air cleaner, I think Tom made that. How many miles on the motor, Tom?
Probably less than 1,000.
Wow. It's like a Blaster II coil, electronic ignition. These are hooker headers, long tube, Minimax Starter, air conditioning, loaded. Beautiful. Nice sounds out of it. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Tom, thank you so much for showing us your car. It's beautiful.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
You're welcome. Any questions, hit me up. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.